Tutorial number 3.8. In this tutorial, I will draw the picture with all the characters in my animation titled 2019 Happy New Year.
Link of the animation will be in the description box below.
Now let's get started with this tutorial. 1. Draw 2 horizontal lines in the middle. 2. Draw the 5 characters and write a message in the middle. The green lines can help while drawing. Since I already went over how I draw and color each character except for the bottom middle one, I won't go over how I draw those characters in this video. If you would like to see how I draw each character step by step, please check the links in the description box below. 3. Now I will draw my yellow Santa character. 3A. Draw half a circle. The green and yellow guidelines in the center can help while drawing. 3B. Draw happy eyes at the top yellow line, the mustache at the bottom yellow line, and a circle-shaped eyebrow at the top of each eye. 3C. Draw a Santa hat for the character. 3D. Erase unnecessary lines. 4. Outline everything in black. Here I colored the 5 characters already. If you would like to see how I colored those characters, please check the links in the description box below. The top background is in red with some white sparkles, while the bottom background is in green with some white sparkles. The middle section is blue with snowflake printings. In tutorial 3.2, I went over how I draw the snowflakes. 5. I will now go over how I color my yellow character. 5A. Color the hat except for the fluff in red. 5B. Color the body except for the mustache in yellow. 5C. Layer medium white dithering and small white dithering at the center of the yellow part of the character as the highlight. 5D. On the sides of the yellow character, layer medium red dithering and small red dithering. 5E. Draw a snowflake onto the red part of the hat. 5F. Finally, add shadow on the fluff and the red area of the hat above the white fluff using medium black dithering. Hope you liked this tutorial. Comment any thoughts, suggestions, and questions down below. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Dreaming Cream.